Yes. In today's class, Laplace transform. The definition of Laplace transform. F of t be a function defined for all positive values of t. The Laplace transform f of t denoted by the Laplace transform of f of t denoted by L of f of t or f bar of s and defined as L of f of t it's equals to or f bar of s which is equals to integrating 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st into f of t into dt. This is known as your Laplace transform. Based on this formula, we are going to have the problems also. By using the definition, your L of f of t is equals to f bar of s is equals to integrating 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st into f of t into dt. Now, you have to remember some values of your Laplace transform. That is very important. If you remember those values, then you can solve the problems easily. And it's very interesting, Laplace transform, and it's easy also. Your elementary function. Laplace transform of elementary functions first one, if it's a constant L of 1, then you're going to write it's equals to 1 by s. And second one, I'll give second one. It can be as any number with arbitrary constant we'll take. L of k, it's equals to k by s, where your denominator has to be greater than 0. K is a constant, where k is a constant. Then L of t is equals to, next third one, L of t to the power of n. It's equals to n factorial divided by s to the power of n plus 1, where n is a positive integer, where n is a positive integer. Next, your where this n factorial we can represent as gamma of n plus 1 also we can write. This is the same thing. L of t to the power of n can be written as gamma. This will be written as a gamma. This is a capital gamma. Reverse of 7. Gamma of n plus 1 divided by s to the power of n plus 1, where n is a
Mom, is it
positive
gamma?
integer. Yeah, that is a gamma. Actually, you have
Mm,
learned the gamma as in
Mom,
this way.
is it? Okay.
In this way, you have learned the gamma. But in the Laplace transform for gamma function, beta and gamma function, this is a capital gamma. Reverse of 7. Just simple it should be. It should not in this way. If you're writing in this way, it's becoming a root. Just reverse of 7, the mirror image of 7. That is known as a capital gamma. Next, L of e power 80. Fourth one, L of e power 80, which is equals to 1 by s minus a, where your s minus a has to be greater than 0. L of sine 80. If they have given as a minus, then what is going to be happen? Here only 5 I will write. L of e power minus 80. This minus will become as a plus 1 by s plus a. Because your a value is a minus a, that will become minus of n minus, it's a plus. Next, your sixth one, L of sine 80, which is equals to a divided by s square plus a square. Then your seventh one, L of cos 80, which is equals to s by s square plus a square. If it's a hyperbolic, eighth one, L of sine h 80, then it's going to be a divided by s square minus a square. Ninth one, L of cos h 80, which is equals to s divided by s square minus a square. Chair पे रखो. Yes, Aditya, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to remember all this one. And we are having the one formula also, that is the 10th one. You are integrating e power ax into sine bx into dx. Then we can write that is equals to e power ax divided by a square plus b square of a sine bx minus b cos bx. And for your cos, it will be as a plus. 11th one, if it is in this form, e power ax into cos bx into dx, which is equals to e power ax divided by a square plus b square of a cos bx plus b sin bx. And one more definition, that gamma definition also take. Because for gamma, so we are having some values. Standard values are there for the gamma. Gamma function, if n is greater than 0, then the gamma function is defined by gamma n. Gamma n is equals to integrating 0 to infinity e power minus x into x to the power of n minus 1 into dx, where gamma of n plus 1, in this only you write down, where we can write gamma n plus 1 is equals to n into gamma n, we can write if your n is greater than 0. Gamma n plus 1 is equals to n factorial is all. It is equals to n factorial also. Gamma n plus 1 we can write is equals to n factorial. And your third one, gamma 1 value is equals to 1. And your fourth one, gamma half is equals to root pi. Gamma half, it's equals to root pi. Then your fifth one, gamma minus half is equals to minus 2 root 2 root pi. And for the negative values, it's the values are not it's defined, where your gamma, if gamma 0 it's equals to gamma 1 is equals to gamma 1 is equals to 1, gamma minus 1, sorry, gamma minus 1, gamma minus 2, so on. These values, gamma minus 3. How I am writing out? These values are not defined, they are undefined. Your gamma minus 1, gamma minus 2, gamma minus 3, so on. All are not defined. These values we are not having. No one yet defined these values. Okay. Yes, Aditya, did you make the note of this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we'll see the problems.